What is going on today, Bread Gang? I hope y'all are having a great day. I am having a great day. We finally got some good news on the channel. Today, I will be revealing what actually caused the front end to go out on my truck. I have the piece sitting behind me in the minivan. I'm super excited to be able to finally share. And honestly, I found out like 30 minutes ago what actually happened, and I will explain everything. And so I know on Instagram, I'd given y'all the 1, 2, 3 option about what I was going to disclose before the reveal of the truck, and the only pieces that are done for me to film today are the powder coated pieces for the upper control arms. I actually hadn't told y'all about that yet, but I do have some pieces with the upper control arms that got powder coated that are going on the truck. So I know y'all saw that. I'm going to tell y'all about that. And we got a new intro, so let's roll that. Leave a comment below what y'all think of the new intro while I get out of the way of the mailman. I'd love to know what y'all think, whether y'all like the old one or the new one better. Let me know.
Let's get this bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about. Does it look cool?
What'd y'all think of the intro? Leave a comment below. Something different, maybe just a little, not as, loud and, upbeat, just a little change for the channel. The truck's coming back. We got a lot of new stuff coming. So, I had some free time last night, and, I just wanted to change it up a little bit, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But I know the reason that y'all clicked on the video today. I've got the AC blaring back here. Hopefully it's not making too much noise, because it's hot as hell. Yes, I am in the van. It's my current favorite place to film without the truck right now. But just to get into the video today, so the reason that the truck front end blew up how it did was because of the pinion in the front. Now, I'm not exactly sure where the pinion, some of y'all that know more about trucks can let me know in the comments where the pinion is, but this is what my pinion looked like in the truck that just came out. So obviously you guys see this is not supposed to look like that right here, and I'm assuming the pinion was a piece that went around this right here. So what ended up happening, it took them an extra day to get this thing out because it was just so mangled up in there. But what happened is the shop that put the new gears in the truck about a year ago tightened this pinion on way too much. So when I put it in four-wheel drive, even for the 10 minutes that it was in four-wheel drive in that particular case, it heated up this pinion a lot, and it essentially melted it to the gears and eventually just locked it up. So that is what is 100% what caused the gears, is the pinion was on way too tight, or this bearing or whatever it is piece in here is what caused it. But there is no need, to be upset or anything. As of today, the truck is currently, as we speak, as this video is being filmed right now, the truck is getting the upper control arms put on, and I want to say the new gear is already done. Those are getting put in, and the upper control arms are getting put on, and the truck is getting sent to the alignment shop. So as of today, by 5 or 5:30, the truck should be driving, and I think tomorrow they're going to finish up the wheel lights and the headlights. So tomorrow the truck should be done, fingers crossed. But I know most of you are wanting to click on the video because well, half of you are wanting to know what happened to the truck, and the other half of you are probably wanting to know what special pieces that I got with the upper control arms. So if y'all remember, when I got the upper control arms from Ron, they had the little emblems. And I had a buddy, huge shout out to my buddy Brandon, awesome dude, does great work, and I'm about to show y'all his work. Brandon at BM Powder Coating hit me up, said, hey, let's get some powder coat on that truck. I said, let's do it, immediately. So I hooked up with him. He went and picked up the pieces, and within 24 hours, he had these pieces powder coated and back to the shop, ready to be put on the truck whenever they were ready for it. So the link for his Instagram is gonna be below. If y'all are in the Tallahassee area, please make sure to hit him up. BM Powder Coating, he's an awesome dude, and he does awesome stuff. And actually right now, let's take a look at some of the work that he's done. I think, if some of y'all know, I really want to redo the truck at some point, and this color is just going to give us a little kind of insight and a little preview of what's to come with the truck. And up until like 48 hours ago, I had no idea we were going to do this, so I'm really excited to be able to share this with you guys. I'm really nervous to see how it looks on the truck. The powder coat looks phenomenal. Brandon, it looks amazing. I love it so much. You did a great job. I'm just a little worried that with everything on the truck being silver, black, and chrome, that this little bit of this one color might throw it off a little bit. But that's just what we do, trial and error. The emblems aren't too hard to get off and repowder coat, so let's just take a look at it. So I've got them sitting in this little thing, but without further ado, I have got the red powder coated McGaughy's emblems to go on the truck now. I am so freaking excited about this. Let me get one of the actual emblems. Look at that. Holy so I mean, I think that's absolutely beautiful. It looks a lot darker on camera, but let me pull out my flashlight on my phone. It's actually got a really nice little like flake to it. I mean, I've got a buddy of mine that's about to do his full truck on this, and that's gonna look absolutely beautiful. So huge shout out to Brandon. The little bit of flake in there is perfect. I think it's gonna look really good on the truck. I mean, the emblems themselves, the powder coat it's very, what's the word? It's very even all the way around. I know I've seen some, you know, just honestly, for what it is, it's absolutely perfect. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to get these on the truck. I think it's gonna look really good. These will actually be on the truck when this video comes out. I'm taking these back later today to get put onto the truck today. So when the truck gets, you know, put back into my hands, the keys are in my hands tomorrow, these will be on the truck, and we've got some stuff set up this weekend to get filmed with it. I am just, you know, really freaking excited. It's almost been a month now that I haven't had my truck, 3 weeks to a month, somewhere around there, and I've just, you know, at this point, I'm really excited to get the new stuff put on, but at this point, like some of you that have been without your truck, I'm just ready to get it back on the channel and just be back with me at this point. You know, I miss the subs, I miss driving around in something I can be proud of, you know, that I not necessarily have built with my hands, but my money has gone into, that I've had, you know, all the input and choices to put into, and I'm really excited to have it back, and I know y'all are excited to see it on the channel. I've had a lot of comments saying, you know, we missed the truck and stuff like that. You know, nothing against the minivan, but you know, it's time for it to go. So I'm dropping this off at the rental place tomorrow. We're gonna go pick the truck up. If I have to leave in the middle of my shift tomorrow at work to go pick up my truck, damn it, that's what I'm gonna do. So y'all expect the truck. Let's see. So just so y'all can know when to expect it. Truck won't be on the channel today, obviously. If I pick it up tomorrow, I've got pictures that I have set up that I'll probably end up revealing tomorrow, and then I'm filming with the truck on Sunday. So a full truck reveal of the new stuff will be coming out hopefully Tuesday, if I can get him to film it and edit it quick. Hopefully Tuesday on the channel. I will, you know, give y'all a good preview on Sunday with a video as well, though. So, but I'm just super excited. Thank you guys so much for, you know, sticking with the Bread Gang and the channel while the truck's gone. Be patient. I'm having to be patient too, and it's coming back soon, I promise. I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all next time, and as always, let's get this bread.